The TicWatch E comes in 3 colors, white, black and yellow, with the white and yellow models sporting a clear plastic housing between the watch itself and the soft plastic band, and the black sporting a black housing. The bands, cheap though they are grippy, smooth and felt quite nice. Nicer than the stiff leather band the LG watch style came with. The clear plastic screams toy, and while plastic does stand up to the bangs and scuff of life better than most polished metals, the TicWatch E isn't quite as ridiculously bulky as most sporty smartwatches, but you're definitely going to have to work your sleeves to get them over the watch, as the hard angles of the watch tends to catch fabric tenaciously both when you try to sneak a peek at the face and when you try to pull your sleeve down again to get back to work. The heart rate monitor at the bottom of the watch sits across from the POGO pin charging port, because in order to save cost, the TicWatch has kept the convenience of wireless charging for a compact but still proprietary charging cable. Using the watch once you get it free of your short sleeves is straightforward, though the home button sitting on the left side takes a little getting used to. The screen is big and bright. In fact, the TicWatch E even on its lowest setting is too bright for always on mode at night. There's no auto brightness here, so be prepared to change brightnesses when you head outdoors. Thankfully, even with that bright screen, the battery can easily last 1.5 to 2 days. The TicWatch is a tick slow, but it's been hard to tell if that's the actual system or just a screen that needs a bit more force to register taps than normal. Having a watch with a heart rate sensor has been nice, and at $128, the TicWatch E is certainly one of the cheaper options of the Android Wear market. But that comes at a price in performance and polish. The TicWatch E isn't a bad smartwatch, but it's not a great one either. It's an okay smartwatch, and that's not enough to justify the already low price tag. If you gotta have a heart rate sensor and like being able to use your watch as a wrist-mounted flashlight at night, this watch may work for you. But if you can, just wait until the LG watch style goes on sale. It won't take long.